Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to do bulk payment for multiple order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to do bulk payment for multiple order on 1688. So I have a case study right here. Someone on my WhatsApp right here contacted me for payment on 1688, just like what you see right there. And I decided to make this a tutorial so everyone can learn from it right here. So you can see the order right here. These are the order before we eventually go ahead and make the payment. So these are the order right here. So let's see how we can make payment for all these goods right here on 1688. So these are the links and when we work on the link. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Then having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on my cart right here, straight up. Then all the products is going to be found in my cart right here. However, if you do not know how to add product to cart, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of step-by-step video on how you can simply add a product to cart. After you have successfully added a product to cart, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select them one after the other. I'm paying for this. 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 These are from different supplier right here. Just like so. So once you are able to select everything you want to pay for, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to checkout. So for that, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here you go. From the checkout right here, you can check on everything right here, just like what you see right here. Okay, so everything is going to be found right here. Okay, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and proceed to payment. Click on here to proceed. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Our payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and screenshot this part. And I'll go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. By the time I refresh, you can see all the product is no longer here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products that I will pay for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So here we go. You have them all right here. Just like what you see right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here, open up my WhatsApp, and I'm going to click on here now, select the proof of payment from my gallery. So here we go. I say payments made and send. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with these persons right here. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.